It's Friday, July 30th, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First up, we have our top categories. Home services dominates the top categories list once again. The legal and insurance gap widens this week as insurance remained in third and legal remained in second. Personal insurance and financial services trail behind the top three categories, but they continue their head-to-head battle. Financial services overtook personal insurance for the fourth position, making personal insurance claim fifth place. Now it's time for our top offers. Netfly continues to hold the number one spot for the fifth week in a row with its Trucking Accident Calls campaign. Addiction marketing specialists hold strong in second place. Aragon Advertising took third place with its IRS tax debt relief campaign, and eLocal claimed fourth place with addiction treatment and rehab calls. Live Calls Networks placed fifth this week with addiction and rehab calls. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, be sure to check out the Ringba blog for all the details. A link will be available in the comments below. Now it's time for our top networks. Hyper-target marketing continues to hold first place on the top networks list, while LeadSmart closes the gap between first and second place. Aragon Advertising took the third position this week, though it trails behind the top two leading networks. And in a head-to-head battle between fourth and fifth place, Digital Market Media takes fourth place and Market Call follows closely behind in fifth. This week, 4 out of the top 5 pay-per-call networks are Ringba customers. We'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault once again for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data and helping us analyze the latest changes in the pay-per-call industry. Now it's time for our pay-per-call trends. For more market insights, we turn to our industry expert, Kevin De Vincenzi, founder and CEO of Rapid Response Marketing. Kevin, what are some pros and cons of internal media buying versus pubs?
I would say they're all pros for internal. We generally buy everything internally first so we can prove it out. We also want to see what the metrics look like before bringing it to a pub. So for us, it's really important to have that baseline. And then for the advertiser as well, to get that sense of comfort that the traffic's coming internally as opposed to a pub, because a pub can tell you anything. In addition to that, it's helpful that then when we do engage with publishers, as we do, we then have the data to give them to say, hey, this is working, and let me share my keyword list, and let me share this. So a lot of what we'll do with a new client is we'll start it internally, we'll get it to a certain point, and then we'll give it to an affiliate to scale, and we'll give them everything that we've learned and all the time, money, and effort that we've put into it so they can be successful as well. So I'm a big advocate of internal. Probably 70% of our traffic is internal right now.
Thanks, Kevin. Now it's time for our pay-per-call opportunities. Elite Calls is seeking seasoned search publishers for their internal pay-per-call campaigns. Their verticals include inbound calls for Medicare, health insurance, and moving inbounds. If you're interested, please reach out to your Ringba representative or send an email to sales@ringba.com for more details. Now it's time for our pay-per-call careers. Ringba is looking for more salespeople to join our amazing team. No industry experience or college degree is required. All you need is a positive attitude, a desire to learn, and a willingness to put clients first at all times. Our salespeople can make unlimited commissions, travel around the world, and you have the freedom to work anywhere you want. If you're interested, email sales@ringba.com to learn more. My Health Angel, a performance-based marketing company targeting seniors, is hiring a pay-per-call operations specialist. Ringba experience is a huge plus. If you're interested, please reach out to hr@myhealthangel.com. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Pay-Per-Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday to stay on top of changes in the industry. Now, if you're a Ringba customer and you'd like to be featured on the show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.